Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You know, I'm on a little adventure in Abia State, but I came to Arochukwu Abia in Abia State, and there is a place called 79 Steps Waterfall. So guys, you know, I'm really enjoying myself, seriously speaking. You know, in Abia State they have a lot of places to go to, and me and my friends, like my cousins, we decided to go to Arochukwu, and that place is called 72 or 79 steps. My dear, as you can see, I'm with my fearless, so in case energy drink. 72 waterfall. Seriously, I've not seen, but you know, as I'm here, I can hear the splashes of the water. So guys, stay tuned. This is a very good content, so stay tuned and enjoy everything. All right.
The 79-step waterfall is a discovery of one of the Arochukwu tourist sites, and it is quite obvious that no one has been able to give a full history of this waterfall. Seriously, the 79 step has been described as a colonial master in search of a good drinking water for the Aro people, but they couldn't complete it. So this place, there are a lot of buying and selling here. You see a place where this is the waterfall. This water is very clean, seriously. And a lot of some people were drinking it, I don't know, but it's so clean and fresh. And there are a lot of hanging out, taking pictures, taking moments. So guys, water.
Seriously speaking, guys, this place is so beautiful. Like, the water is so white, and a lot of people are seriously having fun here. So, and they engaged a girl here. Seriously, I had fun today. So, catch here. Please keep subscribing to this channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for my next video.